Somebody was recently asking me how this weather this autumn, compares to last autumn. Well, it's seasonal. It's absolutely beautiful out here. No complaints. And I'm going to show you something. All the annuals are still intact. There's hollyhocks there. Like I say, the avocados are still fine. Hasn't been cold enough. There's lily. Those are all avocados in there. I'm just going to show you the others. Hydrangeas blooming. Lots of stuff blooming. There's nasturtiums, variegated nasturtiums there. And campanula down in there. The jasmine still got all its leaves on it. Those are blooming. The fatsias. You know what? There's even some blooms on the fuchsias. Fuchsia blooms right there. Look at that. Fuchsia's blooming. And still got all the leaves on it. And then we're going to show you some of the annuals. The burning bush, the Euonymus elatus, got some color to it. And then you can see the annuals here. It hasn't been cold enough to bother any of the annuals. And the maples still have their leaves on them. That one's turned nice red. It is kind of a reddish color anyway, but it turns darker red, the bloodgood. And then that's the other Japanese maples. But you can see the Brunera. There's cyclamen blooming in here. There's the forsythia, still has all its leaves on it. Like I say, we had that light dusting of snow in early November, but it never fell below freezing. There's some cyclamen. Viburnum tinus, spring bouquet. And then there's the Clerodendron. And that's the Milianthus major. There's hydrangea. Lots of annuals. Look at this. It hasn't been cold enough to bother anything. So, so far this fall has been very dry though. Extremely dry, which is kind of scary. There's aspidistra there. That's evergreen. And branch in there. I was going to take these branches out of here. But overall, it's been a great autumn here on the Gulf Islands. That's the Abutilon hot lava, still blooming. It's been blooming forever. Lots of flowers on it. That's evergreen. And a lot of the stuff in here is evergreen, like the ferns are evergreen. And then there's myrtle in here. And we have the Schefflera. There's another Schefflera here. Beautiful plants. Love the Schefflera. And just a lot of good things happening in the garden at this time of the year. It's of year-round interest, but like I say, this time of the year there is still a lot of things blooming and looking pretty cool in our northern exotic garden. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. This is just a little update, like I say, late November from Salt Spring Island. I know the rest of Canada is probably shoveling snow, and here, no, like I say, we had that dusting of snow and it was gone within a few hours. And that's hopefully it for winter, but can't be so sure, right? We are in Canada. So that was a friendly reminder that we're this far north. There's the native willow, still has those leaves on it too. And then the arbutus trees, native arbutus trees, Pacific Madrona. Cheers to you guys. Happy gardening.